Switch statement. Let's see an example. Syntax is like this. We write switch, and here is a key, case, value, break, and default. Let's see an example. We have, for example, let color equal to red. And here we say like switch color. It means we will check what is inside color. And here we have like in case color is, for example, red, do console log, it's like this, it's red. And we can add the second case, like in case of it is green, do console log, it's green. And you never should forget like break statement and like 2 dots. And we can say case it's red, blue. We do console log, I will copy it, it's blue. And default one, we can say console log, no color detected. And let's see what happens. Like it's red, of course. It is almost the same as if else. Like if we want, like it's the same. If we will have an if color equal to red, then do console log, it's red. And then if we will want else if color is green, we would do it's green. And let's set try, yes. And like default can be just else. I will skip like this blue one. And no color is detected. Like it's totally the same code. Just the switch one, it's more easy, and like you don't have to write a lot of else if because it is a bit complicated and it is hard to read if there are a lot. So the switch statement is very easy to do such kind of operations. And here if you say hi, we'll say no color detected, and here, if we will have green, we will have it's green. What will be happen if I will take off the break from here? Let's see. It's okay. Let's do red, and it's red and it's green. So break always shows like if you find the right one, if you find the right case, stop. Don't continue and just go out from statement. Because if we don't do the break, if we don't put break here, like it's go on the next, and like it will not make any sense. It will be it's red and it's green and will go down. So always do not forget to put break keyword here. So in summary, it's pretty easy. Like it looks maybe sometimes very scary, but it's very easy. That it's the same as is else if. But of course there are differences between like switch case and else operator, because we can use here logical operator, or we can use this like bigger, smaller if there will be number, but in switch case it's like more equality operator. So in most cases it can replace if else statement, but in not every case. So if there is something that need to check equality, so and it's like a bit longer code, better to use just switch case statement. See you on the next video.